a small city with a population of about 77,000 people, located in eastern U.S. According to the difference between the 1986 to 2016 average and the 1925 to 1960 average, there has been an annual average change in temperature of 1.43 degrees Fahrenheit. There is significant increase in the change in coldest day of the year at 2.83 degrees Fahrenheit, suggesting that the cold waves are becoming less severe. But the change in warmest day of the year is minus 0.92 degrees Fahrenheit, suggesting an overall increase in temperature. The increasing temperatures pose many threats in Scranton, PA, such as frequent and intense heat waves, agricultural problems, and recreation/business downfall. Frequent and intense heat wave can prevent older population from doing their day-to-day tasks such as mowing the lawn, going for walks, or an outdoor job. Rising temperature can also affect the dairy and poultry farmers because the dairy and poultry would have to be preserved immediately, and there is a possibility that the shelf life of fresh dairy and poultry products would decrease, making it hard to sell. Finally, winter is a major benefit for recreation in Scranton because skiing and snowboarding is a major culture here. But without snow, it is difficult to have the resorts open, and therefore the restaurants and hotels around the resort would suffer. Further, worse scenarios suggest that the temperatures will increase 4.7 to 8.6 degrees Fahrenheit, and the best scenario suggests that the temperatures will increase anywhere between 0.5 to 1.3 degrees Fahrenheit for the 2081 to 2100 relative to 1986 to 2005. Solution for stopping the worst scenario in Scranton is to build vertically, so there is more untouched land for biodiversity and farming. In the 1900s, Scranton was known for coal mining, which did its damage, and now Scranton is known for having major factories, so the factories should consider using the best CO2 filtration system possible to reduce the CO2 emissions. Finally, renewable energy for residential and commercial buildings will reduce emissions significantly over the years, providing a more stable and predictable environment.